It's me, your favorite YouTuber, Minachi Bhaskar. Today we are going to learn how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star if you're in music class. If you're in an elementary school, you have music class. And in that music class, you learn the recorder in 3rd grade. So if you're 3rd grade in elementary school, click this video. So the required materials are this notebook and this recorder. First, let's learn 2 simple songs. Mary Had a Little Lamb and Hot Cross Buns. So first, learn how to hold the recorder. You don't hold it like this or like this, then it won't even make a sound. Want to hear it? Just makes a whistle sound. So first, put these your left hand here and cover all 3 of these holes. Okay? And lift your pinky. So there's a hole in the back. You have to hold it with your thumb. It might hurt a little. So I already done these. You don't have to keep up. I'm going to slow down. So keep these fingers over here. See? Okay, so let's start with Hot Cross Buns. I'm going to go fast in the beginning and I'll slow down. First, flip to the first song in the book. It's on page 5. So first, take off these. You don't need these. So play this note and blow it, and also press the back. So practice that a few times. Then I'm gonna go ahead. Then press these 2 notes with the back and practice that for a few minutes. I think you'll get it. So then press these 3 with the back, then blow. Then play the G 3 times. You might be wondering, I have plenty of practice, so this takes a lot of time, okay? So I don't need the book for this, but you could use the book if you have one. So watch my fingers. Now watch. I have the back finger nice and tight. Don't use these. So first, okay, first I'll do it pretty fast, then also a slower version, like the one I just did. Okay, now the slow one. So now we learn Mary, we had a little lamb. Everyone knows that song. Maybe not babies. Let's not talk about it. So Mary had a little lamb. Same 3 notes, just different pattern. So watch. I'm gonna play fast first. 1, 2, 3, go. pretty fast. Now the slow version. Here goes. So now, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. This might be a little advanced, but just try your best. So practice those two songs a few more times until you get them all mastered without the book, like I am. See? Like that. So now, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. This might be a little extreme, but I'll do it as fast as I can in the beginning, but very slow as I can in the last. Okay? So now add these fingers. See these holes? Add mother, brother, sister. Like that. Keep it like this. Whichever way it's comfortable, you could put left here and right down here. I don't care which way. This just fits for me. So just cover all of these holes. I'm gonna do it fast. Don't worry, you'll catch up. Okay, you might not see my head right now, so don't be concerned. Let me try this again. You make mistakes. 1, 2, 3, go. And that closing. So now, second version, very slowly. So if you just need to practice more, just follow the steps very closely. Watch. So first you blow, twinkle. Okay, I'll sing it for you. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay, twinkle, 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 little star. How I wonder what you are. How the world above so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, 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 little star, how I wonder what you are. Okay, you know what? I'll just sing it for you. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I can also teach you how cross-bonds and Mary had a little lamb in the next video. Bye. Like and subscribe.